Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you and show you the half adder, half subtractor, full adder and full subtractor with the full explanation in Proteus. Before we move forward, please subscribe my channel for getting the latest project video and for getting the latest updates. Now let's begin. And here you can see it is the circuit of full adder. Here you can see here I connect two XOR gate and here I connect two AND gates and one OR gate according to my equation. And now let's move towards the full adder equations. And here you can see, you can follow my cursor. These two equations is the equation of full adder. So according to the equation, I make the circuit of full adder in Proteus. And here you can see A XOR P and XOR with C in. Basically, the main question is, what is full adder? The full adder is a circuit that takes two input from its even and also take one input from another adder and gives 2-bit output. That circuit is called full adder circuit. And next I will move towards the truth table of the full adder. And here you can see it is the truth table of full adder. Here you can see these two inputs and that one input that takes from another adder, that is C in. And here you can see next, when we sum 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 1, when we plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. And when we plus 0 plus 1 plus 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. If you don't know how to make 0 plus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, if you don't know, then you need to learn the binary addition and you also need to learn the binary subtraction. That is very easy. So here you can see, similarly, here you can see 1 plus 1 in binary is equal to 0 and carry is 1. And here you can see, you can follow my cursor, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and carry is 1. And in binary addition, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and carry is 1. And 0 plus 1, 1. And here you can see 1, I put 1 and similarly carry is 1. And now I will move towards the Proteus circuit and verify in front of you. And the one important thing, if you do not subscribe my channel, then hit the subscribe button. Please like, subscribe and share my video. And now I just need to run the circuit. I am just running. Here you can see I take randomly any input. Here I take 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. Here you can see sum is 0 and carry is 1. And here you can see the output sum is 0, carry is 1. When we take all the input is 1, here you can see at the last, then the output is 1, sum is 1, carry is 1. And here you can see the output sum is 1 and carry is 1.
Here you can see it is the circuit of half adder. Here you can see I just give two input. I just connect one XOR gate and also connect one AND gate. And here you can see the output is sum and the output is sum and the another output is carry. And now I just move towards the truth table of this half adder circuit. Here you can see it is the equation of half adder circuit. I build the circuit of half adder according to these equation and I build this circuit on the basis of these equation. and here you can see the input of half adder is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. The output is carry and sum. And now I just verify the circuit, and now I just run the circuit. Here you can see when we give the input is 1 0, the output is also 1 0. Here you can see the when we give input is 1 0, the carry value is 0, the sum value is 1. And when we give both input is 1, then our output of sum is 0, and our carry value is 1. And now I just verify these values. Here you can see when we give both input is 1, and here you can see the sum value is 0, and the carry value is 1. As you can see in this truth table, the carry value is 1 and the sum value is 0.
And next I move towards the half subtractor circuit and full subtractor circuit. If you want to learn half subtractor and full subtractor with full explanation, then please stay with me. Here you can see it is a circuit of half subtractor. The main question is, what is half sub? Basically, the half subtractor is a circuit that subtracts two binary number and give two output. As one is subtraction output, one is carry or borrow output. And now let's move towards the equation of the half subtractor. Here you can see it is the equation of half subtractor, and specifically it is the equation of difference output. Basically it is the equation of subtracted bit, and here you can see it is the equation of borrow bit. On the basis of this equation, we build a circuit of half adder. It is the truth table of half subtractor. Here you can see when we give input 0 0, it give difference 0 borrow 0. When we give 0 1, difference 1 borrow 1. When we give 1 0, difference 1 borrow 0. And similarly when we give 1 1, then the output is 0 0. And now the next step, I just verify the half subtractor circuit, and now I just run this circuit. My input is 0 1 and the output is 1 1, and similarly you can see my input is 0 1, the output is 1 1. And next when I give the input 1 0, then see what happened. 1 0 1 0, the output is 1 0, and the subtraction output is 1 and borrow output is 0. And here you can see the subtraction or difference output is 1, the borrow output is 0. And now I move towards the full subtractor circuit. Here you can see similarly it is a circuit of full subtractor, and here you can see I connect two XOR gate, and here you can see NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate. And the next I move towards the equation of full subtractor. Here you can see these two equation of the full subtractor equation, and here you can see it is a difference equation, it is a borrow equation. And now move towards the truth table of this circuit, and here you can see when we give 0 0 0, the output is 0 0, and when we give 0 0 1, the output is 1 1, and when we give 0 1 0, the output is also 1 1. And next I just verify the circuit in front of you. Here you can see when we give input 0 0 1, the output will be 1 1, as in the truth table. Here you can see input 0 0 1, the output will be 1 1. And next I just verify another number. Here you can see when we give input 0 1 1, 0 1 1, the output will be 0 and 1. The subtraction value is 0 and borrow value is 1. Here you can see when we give 0 1 1, the subtraction or difference value is 0, the value is 1. And here my video is finished, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and please like, subscribe, and share this video. As you know, it's very good thing if you share this video, then other people watch this video, and you also know very well, subscriber and viewers are the backbone of this channel, and